Kia ora. Welcome to another one of our tutorials. Last time we finished off by making this website, this basic website using our HTML. So just to recap, we create a new project folder in my documents, and everything inside this folder is going to be relating to that website. All the website's contents will be inside this folder. The images folder is where all the images for the site will go, which will make sense once we start adding images. As was where we're coding the site. Remember, H1 shows these nice big bold paragraphs. If I was to change that to H3, remember we've been consistent, so if I change that to H3, I'm going to change it to H3 over here. Notice how it gets smaller. So the higher the number, the bigger it'll be. Anyway, today what we're going to work on is creating a style sheet. So a style sheet is what we can use to change the style of the website, if you hint its name. So what we'll do is we'll chuck in a few colours just to make it look all, whatever, and we'll change that. We might change this top around the back. It looks pretty crap at the moment, and we will see where we go. So first of all, we've got to make a new page. Remember how we did that? We went File and click New Window. I don't know why it's doing this. I'll clear off. Right. Right, we're away. Long last. Right, so I'm going to save that. And this time I'm going to call it style.css. Okay, CSS. It's a style sheet extension. Is that what they're called? Yeah, file extension, yeah. CSS, right. We're away. And I noticed how I've saved that also in my practice site folder. Right, let's go. So, body. Okay, so anything in red, you can then just type in on the style sheet like I've done here. So see our body's in red, I can then just type in body. Then I've got to open a bracket and then enter. So I open one of these curly brackets, enter. Everything between these curly brackets is going to affect the whole body of the website. So the whole lot, the whole back. So if I change it, for example, let me illustrate this. If I want to change the background of the whole site, I'll do it in body. And I'm going to put in background color. See what happened there? So I started typing and it gives me all the options. Background color. And then you can just simply type blue, followed by a semicolon. A semicolon is like a full stop on a sentence. You have to put one there. Save. Refresh. Right, that didn't work because I forgot to do something. So what we now have to do is we have to link the style sheet to our index page. Okay, so that makes sense because to make the style sheet's just a page sitting in Atom in the folder. It's just a page. We've got to link that page into this index page, which is the home page. Remember, index is for home. And you'd have to link the style sheet in every page we create. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go and open up another project folder because it's a big long piece of code we've got to use. So let's just chuck in the site here. Bear with me for 1 second. Right, okay. So we're back in our index page of our practice site. Under this META char set, so between that and the title bit, I'm going to put this in, okay? So it's L, to get this, it's L-I-N-K, okay? And then where's a style sheet? So starting again, you're going to type in L-I-N-K. It's a style sheet. And then between the end of the style sheet and href, you're going to just type in type equals speech marks open text / css close to speech marks space. Now the href, so this here, this was just what you're going to put in. Now the href is where you put the name of the style sheet. So see how mine's called style.css. So I'm going to simply type in style.css. Notice how it's all in the speech marks, so it's included in these speech marks inside them. Save, and I'll just get rid of this one, that was just my little guide. Save. We've now successfully linked the style sheet. Okay, we've linked the style sheet to the index page, to the home page. So now, when I go in here and I refresh, with any given luck, the background will be blue. Whoa, that looks absolutely terrible. So I'm going to need glasses, that black's all going blurry everywhere. Good grief. No, that's awful. Right, let's get rid of that then. So let's go into style sheet and change the colour. I don't know, let's change it to a nice light green. I don't know, light green. Followed by the semicolon. No, that's not a semicolon, that's a semicolon. Followed by that. Full stop. That's semicolon, full stop. Yeah. You can play it, we did not say that word. You can play around. Oh. Looks alright, doesn't it? Cool. Now, if we now want to change something about the header text, let's do it. Last time, remember, what do we do? Because body wasn't red, we just type in body and then open a curly bracket, and everything between the curly brackets would apply to that part of the code. So find our type in H1, because that's also in red. H1, yeah, H1. Open the curly bracket. Beg my pardon, not your pun. H1. Now let's just go colour. Then we could just go blue. Full stop, semicolon. And look. Now the H1's gone blue. So do you see what we did there? We went H1 because that's what the piece of code's called for the header. The big bold header I have there. H1. Style. H1. Colour blue. We could also use the code text decoration, which is decorations to the code. So we can just go text decoration and then type in underline and chuck that without full stop on the end, and then we're going to save that and go back into the website, refresh it, and now we've got an underline under there. So that's fantastic. So now we know our style sheet works, and we've linked it to the index page, which is the home page, and we're away and laughing. So what we've learned in this video is how to create a style sheet, link it to the index page, and how to how to change the colours and add some decoration to what's on our site. Next time, what we're going to do is we'll add some more to our site. Next time we're going to create our div tags, which is how we distinguish different pieces of the site. So what I mean by that is you might have a div tag and everything that div tags over to the right side of the website over here. No, that's the left side. So you might have everything on the left side, and then you might have things in another div tag on the right side. Halfway down the page, and there's something on the other half of the page. That's how we're going to use div tags next time, and then we'll then start. You also then use the style sheet to make those div tags do what we want the div tags to do. But that'll all make sense in the next video. So looking forward to that one, and we'll see you next time. I'm Nick Clapp. Thanks for watching. Please remember to to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.